Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now look at the headlines. Finally, arrest in Canacona Ruby Residency collapse case. Crime branch arrest accused builders Pardeep, Singh and Jugdeep Sehgal in Mumbai. Zilla Panchayat seats distributed equally in both districts. Zilla poll to be held on party lines. Ponda Taluka to be placed in South Goa. Government to write to MOEF to revoke suspension of EC's Graha Aadhaar beneficiaries under scrutiny. Contingency fund raised to 230 crores, says CM. Feast of Saint Joseph was celebrated in Sankwal and other churches in Goa. Follow the path of Christ, appeals Archbishop Philip Neri Ferrao. And Sehgal Football Club hold an edge over Pune FC as the familiar rivals get set to open 2015 I-League campaign at Fatorda. And now the news in detail. Crime branch of Goa police finally arrested accused builders in Canacona Ruby Residency case Pardeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal. Crime branch team arrested accused duo in Mumbai after a tip-off. Now the question arises how Pardeep Singh Biring, facing a red corner notice by Interpol, entered India and reached Mumbai. How airport authorities did not notice the most wanted accused. Sources say they were in India for a long time, sending probe agencies on a wild goose.
Ruby Residency building collapsed at Canacona a year back. Prime accused Pardeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal, the builders, were at large, but police finally arrested them both in Mumbai. A team of crime branch succeeded to track and arrest accused builder duo in Mumbai. According to sources, crime branch received a tip that accused builder Pardeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal were scheduled to meet another builder in Mumbai for a property deal. Crime branch team with the help of Mumbai police laid a trap and arrested both Pardeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal on their scheduled spot when they visited the place to finalize their deal. On the request of crime branch, Interpol had issued red corner notices against both Pardeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal. Jugdeep Sehgal was untraceable, but Pardeep Singh Biring was located in Manchester, England by the Interpol. Crime branch had requested Interpol to keep a close watch on Biring and not to allow him to leave England. Crime branch was supposed to initiate a legal proceedings to extradite Biring. This arrest may be termed as a big success for the investigating agency, but it has also exposed another side of the coin. It has primarily raised question on the security breach by builders. Question needs to be answered now. How did Pardeep Singh Biring leave England without being noticed? How did Biring enter India and immigration department did not notice his presence? Did he travel and forge documents? Both Pardeep Singh Biring and Jugdeep Sehgal are on the way to Goa and will be produced before the Madgaon court on Saturday. Crime branch will likely seek their police remand. Ruby Residency had collapsed on 4th January 2014. 31 labourers lost their lives and many were injured in this tragic incident. Reporter Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
The forthcoming Zilla Panchayat elections will be conducted on party lines. Ruling party leaders informed the MLAs at the BJP's legislature meet on Friday. Tenure of Zilla Panchayat members is getting over on 15th March. Elections could be delayed if the polls are to be held on party lines. Now, there would be 25 Zilla Panchayat constituencies under each Zilla Panchayat, as the Ponda Taluka is now placed under South Goa. Government few months back had announced that Zilla Panchayat elections would be conducted on the party lines. Tenure of Zilla Panchayat ends on 15th March. The party in power BJP is working to hold the elections on party lines. In the BJP legislature meet held in Porvorim on Friday, party leaders informed the MLAs to be ready for the Zilla Panchayat elections on party lines.
आम्ही पार्टीत पयलींच सांगलेलें आनी विधानसभेन एश्युरन्स केल्लें गव्हर्नमेंटान की पार्टी लायन करतले म्हणून.
पण हे इलेक्शन पार्टी लायन जातले.
आम्ही मागला सरकारा कडेन आनी सरकार निश्चितपणे पार्टीचो विचार करतले.
Ponda is demarcated under South Goa. Now there would be 25 Zilla Panchayat constituencies under each Zilla Panchayat. CM confirmed after the cabinet meet.
पूण जिल्हा पंचायतीच्यो उत्तरेक 30 असल्यो आनी दक्षिणेक 20 असल्यो आनी खूब फावटी ना तुमी सारको ग्रँड दिलो पण आमचे हांगा 30 जाण आसात ते वांटून कमी पडटा तेवटेन जास्त मेळटा तांकां त्यो इक्वलायज जावपाक ताचो उपयोग जातलो बॅलन्स जाता म्हणजे जिल्हा पंचायतीचे जे मतदार आसात ते दोनांयचे 5.5 लाख जातात जिल्हा पंचायतीचे आनी आमकां जिल्हा पंचायतूच सादारण इक्वल करूंक जाय आसली 5.5 आनी 5.40 अशे जातात मतदार आणि त्यामुळे सगळं युनिफॉर्मिटी येता भितर.
Panchayat Minister Dayanand Mandrekar 2 weeks back had hinted that Zilla Panchayat elections could be delayed. Senior reporter Laukik Shilkar with video journalist Omkar Falari for Prudent. Goa government will ask the Ministry of Environment to withdraw environmental clearances suspension order imposed in 2012. CM said Graha Aadhar will be under scrutiny so that it benefits genuine applicants. Ponda will now come under South Goa District Administration. Government has raised ex gratia amount for firemen to rupees 20 lakhs. Contingency fund has been raised to rupees 230 crores.
आमी लिजीस जश्यो रिन्यू करपाक लागले. That was also done in accordance with the order of the apex court. लिजीस रिन्युअल जाल्या उपरांत स्वाभाविकपणे बॅनूय काडचो पडलो आमी
हाका रिलेटेड आतां मोर स्पेसिफिकली तुमचो हे फाटी घेतलो आतां एमओई हाचो ऑर्डर जी आसा ती तुमी बरयतले तांकां की ती फाटी घेया म्हणून
हय 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 इम्प्लिमेंटेशन ऑफ द स्कीम फॉर ग्रँट ऑफ एक्स ग्रांशिया लमसम अमाउंट इन द केस ऑफ डिसेबिलिटी इन सर्वीस टू फायर अँड एमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस पर्सनल काही आमी हे ठरयल्यात फूल डिसेबिलिटी जर जाली जाल्यार 20 लाख पार्शल डिसेबिलिटी जर जाली लॉस ऑफ बोथ हँड्स ऑर लॉस ऑफ बोथ लेग्स जाल्यार 100% अशें धरता म्हणजे 20 लाख मेळटले ताका लॉस ऑफ सायट ऑफ बोथ आयज जाल्यारूय 100% धरली वतली पूण अशे अन्य जे आसात कॅबिनेटान हें आयलें सजेशन आयलें त्यामुळे अशा अन्या खातीरूय एक वेगळी स्कीम तांच्या खात्यांनी दिवची अशें म्हटलां टेम्पररी एनहान्समेंट ऑफ कॉर्पस ऑफ कंटिजन्सी फंड जो 30 कोटी आसता तो 230 कोटी करपाक वाडयला दिस इज टू मीट द एसेन्शियल एक्सपेंडिचर आणि सॅलरी फॉर 2 मंथ्स आमी पोंडा तालुको जो नॉर्थाक आसा तो सावथांत धरपाचो निर्णय घेतला हे करता आसतना आमी आनी एक गजाल घेतल्या की म्हापसा उत्तर गोव्यांत आणि दक्षिण गोव्यांत पोंडा हांकां फॉर बेटर एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन थंय एडिशनल कलेक्टर्स दिवप.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.